Today I'm going to share with you a haircut I did for my team on a Zoom session. This is a mullet or a shag, however you want to call it. This is a very easy way to do it. This kind of cut for me has lots of layers, a strong fringe and a disconnection of some sort. So first of all, I section from the top of the head to the side of the ear, but the side of the ear is always sort of coming up to about like the back of the ear, roughly there. Okay, so from one ear to the other. Okay, then I sectioned off the crown following the shape of the head, so in a V section, and I did the same at the front. Okay, so I've plaited this because that's going to be my disconnected bit. I'm not going to work with that just yet. I hope you like it. This is a very easy way to achieve this hairstyle, and it's also very commercial. Of course, you can do it a lot more dramatic with more disconnection, but in this one, I tried to keep the style very commercial, very salon friendly. Thank you.